And I'm back for another week, the 22nd on this build. I'm gonna start this week with hopefully the last of the fairing. I'm gonna scrape everything I can and sand it down, and hopefully that's it. I won't have to do any more of that. You believe that? Well, I'll try anyway. I'm using the 60 grit first, gently, just to take the biggest, see the highest points here. If I do that with the 120, it's gonna take me forever. Past a few hours sanding this nice boat. I know I said I wouldn't put any more fairing compound on this, but I'm gonna have to. Here. Definitely need some more in there. And the same on the other side. But first, I'm going to start working on the bottom skids, but I noticed something awkward. See, here it's flat. The bottom is, well, concave in this case. It's alright there. So I'm gonna have to put something underneath the boat, pressing the bottom upwards, so I can put the skids on. Guys, the first thing I'm gonna do when I finish this boat is build a router table. I have shaped the bottom skids and I have rounded the edges as well. And now before I go, I wanna add some fairing compound there. A bit here and another bit on the other side as well. And that's it. I've been in this workshop for 11 hours today, so I want to go and have dinner now, or soon. going to apply 3 coats of epoxy on these, but I'm going to do it outside. I have to find a way of moving this boat on my own so I can work on the transom. So this needs to go forward and then back and then forward and then back as I need. So I'm gonna see what I've got in the workshop and try to make some wheelbase something. And while the second coat dries on the skids, I'm going to start sanding the glass reinforcements on the yard. That's how I keep my brushes always nice and clean. One brush will last for a week. I tie off all the fingers on one glove, cut them, then leave one finger, middle finger. It has to be the middle finger, otherwise it won't work. I can keep a brush like that at least a week. I'm doing the bottom skids today, just having a rehearsal, see how it all goes. It's looking alright, so let me put a couple of more ways in and then I'll draw a line here so I know where to put them down once I have the glue. Have a look at the small pins. They only come out like a millimeter or two and will prevent them from sliding all over the place once they have glue on. some places I couldn't see any squeeze out, but if I put a little bit of pressure with the finger, that squeeze out would show, so I just forced a bit of epoxy in there anyway. But it took me about an hour just to clean and fill these little gaps and then clean more, and you know. Most of the fairing compound has been covered with epoxy now. I'm gonna wait for an hour, then I'll come back and I'm gonna coat the whole boat. One more coat, and then that's it. This week I worked 23 hours, most of it was sanding, fairing, sanding. Not a fun week, but now it's all done on the outside of the hull, for now, of course. This will dry for 7 days, because I'm going to flip this boat, and then I'm going to work on the interior, so at least 7 days until I manage to flip it over again. I'm starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel, guys. It's been 22 weeks already, 426 hours work. Yeah, but it's been fun. Mostly has been fun, with the odd bits like sanding, which ain't that fun, but it's part of the job. So I hope you guys have liked my video so far. If you did, if you like this video as well, just give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Tell me why you didn't like it. Maybe I can improve on something. Also, you can always subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon by the subscribe button, so you can be notified every time I post a video. So guys, I'll see you next week and stay safe.